guys, I hope you can hear me. I didn't feel like attaching my microphone, so yeah, this video is supposed to be like a little voiceover, but my son let me do a little intro. But anyways, hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be attempting spring twists. I've never done spring twists before, so I really hope that it comes out good, especially since I work a morning. Yeah, anyways, let me get into the tools that we're going to be using to create this style. Alright, so I decided that I wanted to do it the crochet method. So let's get into the tools. You're going to need a scissors to kind of help with the hair, cutting the hair and all of that. The crochet tool, everybody knows these things. Some hair separators to get the hair out of the way, and of course, what is the crochet method without some rubber bands? You can opt to soak these in oil if you wish. I don't think I'll be doing that today. You will need a tail comb to help with the parts, and I'm also going to be using this brush, yeah, kind of dirty, to help me with like detangling and all of that. You're going to need some type of gel. Now this is the gel that I will be using. It's the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Mega Hold, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this gel to kind of help with molding of the hair and the twisting of the hair. So now let's get into the hair. I bought some hair off Amazon because I have a really hard time trying to find this hair where I am. I always wanted to try this style and the hair just hard to find. So I ordered some spring twist hair from Amazon. This is what it looks like. It comes in this little package like, and it came with, whoa, it came with 4 packs of the hair, and I'm just going to pull it and let you see what it looks like. It comes in a hairnet. It's nicely packaged and the curls are very pretty. Come on. Very bouncy, very pretty. And springy. So without further ado, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's get straight into it. This is the voiceover part that I was talking about. So I went ahead and started my hair. I really wanted to get like a feel as to what it is that I was doing. I did, as you can see, 3 rows around the back, and then I started on the sides. I am doing the rubber band method as I mentioned earlier, and I did not dip my rubber bands in oil, but I think that would be a smart thing for you to do to prevent any sort of breakage. So all I am doing here, I parted my hair to the desired width of how big I wanted my twists to be, and when I parted it, I tried to get them as straight as possible, but I don't think you need to worry if the parts aren't that straight, because the hair is so fluffy that you barely see the parts unless you're gonna be manipulating your hair and wearing it in different styles. But for the most part, I don't think your parting necessarily has to be perfect. So don't worry if you're a part of the Crooked Parts gang. Don't worry. Just try your best and get them as straight as possible. So when I did that, I sectioned it off into the desired section, and then I put some gel. Some of that gel, I put it around the perimeter of the hair, all over the hair, and then I attached the rubber bands to it. I think that is why I didn't get a lot of breakage, because the gel kind of helped with loosening up the rubber band so that it didn't snag my hair or anything like that. So, but you will all see, I'm gonna post a video about how I took down these braids. Wow, are you serious right now? I'm gonna post a video on how I took down these braids, and you're gonna see how much breakage I have or had. Yeah. So here I'm basically showing you guys the parting and the spacing and how big everything was, and just giving you a gist of how the braids are gonna lay on my head. So I think these are medium-sized parts, so I wanted to do medium-sized sections. So right here I'm feeling myself. I went ahead and started just to get my feet wet, and as you can tell, I really liked how they were looking so far. So in this clip, I'm actually gonna slow it down for you to show you exactly in real time what it is that I'm doing. I took some more of that gel and I placed it along my hair, and then I took my fingers and tried to kind of detangle my own natural hair. Now that is how the twist comes when you take it out of the bunch. What I did, I fluffed it out. So I fluffed out each part of the hair because I wanted the twist to be fluffy and springy and just look nice. So I was gonna do one, but then I decided that I'm gonna do two. I wanted it thick and I wanted it to look really nice and fluffy. So you can opt to twist your hair with only one, but I really wanted it to look fluffy. So I took two pieces of hair, fluffed them out, and put them together. Then I attached the latch hook through the section, the rubber band section, and then I'm gonna place the hair on the latch hook and take it out. Now I'm not gonna take out all of the hair. I'm actually gonna take it out to a point where I can get out the other section, so that the whole entire thing can just go through the section at once. So as I know, I hope you guys understood what I was saying, but you can basically see for yourself what it is that I'm actually doing. Then I took my own natural hair and split it into two for each section. And then I begin twisting. Now, what I did notice, I don't naturally twist like this, like how you're seeing me twisting right now. I don't naturally twist like that. So it took me a very long time to grasp that kind of technique. I actually twist the other way. But when I twisted the other way, the twist didn't come out like this. Them come out crinkly and just look away. Like them don't look like real twist to me. So I twisted the other way, and this is what you are left with. Nice, juicy, springy twist. So that is basically what it is that you're going to see me do for the rest of this video. This hair was very low maintenance. I didn't have to trim the edges of the hair like when you use Kanekalon hair. I didn't have to trim it. I didn't have to hot water it. I did when I twisted it to the ends, if I found that the twists were looking straggly, I did use my scissors and cut off those straggly pieces, but that is it. I thought I would need to do a lot of trimming with this hair, but I didn't. I didn't have to hot water this hair. All I did was insert this hair in my head, started twisting, and that was it. That was the end of it. It was just low manipulation, and that is the reason why I love this hair so much. I'm gonna purchase some more hair and see if I can do some other styles with it that do not include the rubber bands. Hit the like button if you would like to see a video like that without the rubber band method to see how best this hair is gonna hold up. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you have ever tried this hairstyle before. face, it was late and I was actually over it. So this is all the hair that I had left back. As you can see, I used a majority of it. And yeah, this is my hair freshly done. It looks really nice. It looks just juicy and just plump. I love plump looking twists. I was trying to see how best I was gonna style it the next day because they were kind of tight. You know, when you just get your hair done, it kind of tight. So I wanted to see how best I could do that. But I'm really loving these twists. See, as I finish the last twist, I just done with the style, just done. So I'm gonna be putting some mousse on it for kind of help everything to lay properly and smooth out so it can look nice. After I put the mousse, I put some oil sheen from Cantu. This oil sheen smell really nice. It smells good. If you use this oil sheen before, let me know in the comment section down below. So I just finished off the hair with some oil sheen and then I went to bed. I actually just tied it up and then I went to bed. This is what my hair looked like a couple weeks after the fact. Maybe about 3 weeks. So I don't keep my hair in longer than 3 weeks. But as you can see, it's still looking really nice. It's still looking really juicy. I could have done up my edges and so, but I was about to take them down on this day. So let me show you how it looked after 3 weeks. You could easily keep this hair in for more than 3 weeks, but I had to wash my hair. I had to take it down. So yeah, still flowy, still bouncy, still juicy. I really like this hair. If you've tried this hairstyle before, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know how you liked it. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, enough love. Big up yourself. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like the video and leave a comment in the comment section down below so we can chat. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.